steps, trying to map a route past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air, searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest, waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take, falling stars write your name.